Hello everyone. I was going to make a YouTube video on my Blue Ox tow bar. It's an Alpha. Got about 200,000 miles on it. There's tons of play everywhere. No problem there. But I'm just now starting to have a problem where this will lock in or it will not lock in at all. And when it locks in, it's almost impossible to get it out. Well, I was playing around with it and found out is pop these little caps. They have a little bit of glue on the bottom. Put a little screwdriver in there. Put a little RTV sealant on it. And in there is that little plunger that goes down. And it's a screw basically. It will unscrew itself, and when it comes down, it'll hit that bar. That piece of metal there is the tube that slides in and out. Sorry if it keeps changing the views on you. See, it kind of hits right there. Well, most people be like, crap, when it's locked down like that, how you gotta hit it with a hammer or something. Now, if you take this other cover off here, both sides are the same. Take this little cover off. Hinge it up. On the back side is there's the threads of it. On the back side, you can unscrew it in case it jams with it out, and you don't break all this, because this spring on this side takes they say it takes a special tool to put that spring in right there, and I can't seem to find it. I'll probably end up just buying a new one. But now that I got a ton of wiggle, now that I got that apart and put where it needs to be, let me check it real quick. Hard to hold the camera and do this. Now that I got it where it needs to be, it locks and unlocks. I'm gonna put some blue Loctite on it. Found it at Walmart for $6. They have red, but that's like almost JB Weld, I think. Blue will let you service it down the road if you need. And being a Blue Ox, you're gonna have tons of service. I'd rather trade this in for a Roadmaster any day. Even up. Never had problems with my Roadmaster. This one, oh my god. So I'm just gonna go in there and drip a little bit of glue in there. Let me put that down. Takes an hour to set up and 24 hours to cure. It'll find its way in there. I don't need it to weld it. I just need it to hold it a little bit. But I already did the other side. And if you want these bolts Loctited, I'll work. I haul campers for a living, so can't be 2,000 miles from home and have a problem. And then there is a groove on the bottom of this. Yeah, you can see that. That grooves to the pipe. Once I know this works after a trip, I'll probably put some gray RTV sealant on it and put it back together. Sorry if the camera kept flipping. Also, if you don't know, that is a oil hole to put oil in so these things slide better. Why it's zoomed up so much. There's a hole on both sides. If you get a JB Weld can, WD-40 can that sprays in there, works great. And they have the silicone spray you can spray in there, but spraying in there does absolutely nothing. There's a spring in there, but this goes clear through. But I spray the silicone JB Weld. I sprayed that earlier today. Let's see if it'll focus. You can't even tell I sprayed it. I get RV 3-in-1 rubber stuff and put on these. 200,000 miles and still original. Keeps all the rubber like normal, brand new. Well, hopefully that helps somebody out.